Hello and welcome to Steve's Collectibles. Today we are unboxing SEGA's REM from Life in a Different World from Zero. This video is sponsored by the Raven's Nest. Please check out the Raven's Nest in the link I have in the description below, and be sure to tell them that Steve Collectibles sent you there. Now before we get started, I'd like to ask that you smash that like button. And if I earned it, your subscription. And without further ado, let's get into this unboxing of REM from Life in a Different World from Zero. As we get started unboxing this, I would like to say thank you to SEGA for re-releasing some of these figures. I have been greatly looking forward for these figures to come back out. Getting back to the figure at hand, I could say the packaging is wonderful. It comes in two pieces, the stand and the figure itself. Now that we got it out of the box, let's get it out of its packaging and all put together. Now that we have everything unpacked, it looks like the stand is a checkered finish line from a race. There are two slot ports on the stand. One slot is bigger than the other, so don't worry about putting it in the wrong hole. You can only put it one way. Now that we have the figure in our hand, the quality is amazing. Not too heavy, not very light, a good in between. I think now is a good time to put her on her stand and take a deeper dive into the details. Looking at her from a distance, I could say that she looks absolutely adorable. Now let's take a closer look at her upper body. I am really enjoying the detail they put into her face. They even have her right eye under her hair. I don't know if you could see it through the camera, but they did not skimp on any details on the upper body here. As we take a look at her dress, it looks phenomenal, right out of the anime. I love this figure. This is amazing. All the details from the anime were captured beautifully into this figure. And then finally for her legs and shoes, I do have to say the shoes look not quite as detailed as the rest of the character. However, this could be easily overlooked as it is a minor detail. All in all, I believe this beautiful REM figure would be about an 8.5 out of 10. I definitely recommend this figure for all you REM fans out there. And before we get started with the montage, I have to give another huge shout out to the Raven's Nest for providing the figure for today. I highly encourage you all to visit their website and check out their anime paraphernalia. And without further ado, let's head into this deadly but cute REM figure.